Poverty in India is a major issue. Rural settlements depend on unpredictable incomes from subsistence agriculture. More than 1/3 of India's fast-growing population, or more than 1 billion, still lives below the poverty line, with large parts of the entire rural population living their lives in poor circumstances. If there was a means to rapidly strengthen the social structure of the Indian villages by creating employment and generating sufficient funds for infrastructural development, education, health, etc., hydroponics could be the solution. The cost of developing villages or rural settlements to a point where they become independent from outside assistance is usually in the millions of dollars, thus becoming the main inhibiting factor for growth and development. Hydroponics is the cultivation of plants without soil by means of technological systems that feed nutrients and water to the roots, usually accompanied by other technologies that control the temperature and humidity of the crop's environment. On average, 1 square meter of hydroponic farm equates to at least 8 square meter of conventional farming in terms of yield. Depending on the type of crop cultivated, yields of up to 100 times that of conventional methods are regularly achieved globally. It enables growing of any crop regardless of specific season or soil type the crops usually require. Conservation of water and nutrients is a feature of NFT hydroponic systems. The technology uses less than 1/10 of the water usually consumed by conventional farming methods. In addition, the water and nutrients not used by the plants are constantly being recirculated, therefore eliminating any wastage of resources. The project will be initiated with the collaboration between the benefactor or sponsor and Kruger Consulting Private Limited. The benefactor will appoint Kruger Consulting to design and implement a hydroponic system based on in-house research of the site. Kruger Consulting will then utilize a percentage of the revenue generated from the hydroponic facility from Phase 1 to initiate Phase 2. Phase 2 requires the implementation of conventional farming such as orchards, rice, and wheat farming, leading to job creation and generation of additional sources of revenue. The cumulative funds generated through the project would then be utilized for building roads, warehouses, for developing schools, hospitals, offices, etc. This process would lead to the creation of a self-sustaining, independent development, supporting the establishment of strong communities that control and use assets to promote social justice and help improve the quality of community life. It also enables community and public agencies to work together to improve the quality of government functioning.